Hey, morning. A day in my life. Just want to show you all. I cut my hair. I put it in a ponytail and cut it off. I needed a trim, but I have not made it to the hair place, so I decided I'll cut it. So this is my hair now. This is the length right now. All of this is new growth. Every part of my hair is new growth except this little piece. So just wanted to show you all. I did a trim, a big trim, like a chop. So this is my hair. I showed you my hair in one plait, how I cut it, but I did not get to show you the back. So now I'm going to show you the complete thing. The first clip of the video, you'll see my hair is in one plait, like this, to show you how I cut my hair. I put my hair in one plait, one ponytail, and then I just cut. Usually I don't do it like usually I'll put it in layers and cut it and everything, but I couldn't do that this time. So I put it in one and I just cut the rest. As you can see, this is what I have left. This is what it looks like. I'll show you what the back looks like. And you can see. One thing, when you put your hair in one plait to cut it, the crown, the middle of your head comes out shorter. I've never done that before. That was my first time putting it in one plait and cutting it, and then I realized, uh-oh, I have little pieces up here, long pieces back here, and the sides along. So it's something new, but let me show you what it looks like. If I want and I take it out like this is it. I'm going to show you the back. This is the back. You see how short this is? And as you go, it gets longer. So this is where the one plait was. But this is what the back looks like. I'm going to mess it up so you can even see it better. That is my haircut. My hair is 4 months since the last relaxer, so I'm going to relax it today because I try to do it every 4 months. My hair is healthy, thank God. It is strong, and it is time to do a relaxer. It's 4 months now, but this is what my hair looks like. You know, I can still put it in one. I can put it in one like this. I try not to do it too tight. I can do it like this. This is the back. If I don't want it sticking up like this, I just tuck it in like this. I also can still wear my hair up. If I don't have a scrunchie, I just take it and I twist it. And I use one of these. Make sure it's not pinching me, and that's that. This is the front. This is the back. So I can still do that. But I just cut it. I really needed a trim, a good trim. I might have cut more than I needed, but it's okay, it will grow back. You see the amount of new growth I have? I mean, all of this, from all this is new growth. So 4 months worth of growth, so I need to get it all done. So if my hair is looking a little short or different, that's what it is. Thank you all again for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, hype. And if you love my smile, please continue watching more videos and subscribe. I love you. You're welcome here on this channel. And you are always, always in God's favor. I have now finished putting a relaxer in my hair, and it's been 4 months since the last time I did it. So now I try to make sure I do it every 4 months. I try to do my hair every 4 months, and I make sure it lasts for a long time. I let a lot of hair, new growth comes in because I don't want to do it too often. I want to do it as least as possible. So this is the hair after I have relaxed it. This is, I cut it and now I relax it. It didn't all happen in one day. This is a few days apart. And this is the hair. This is the haircut. And this is the back. And as I showed you before, this is the, you see how short this section is? Because this is where I put the ponytail. I put the ponytail high and cut it. Never thought of the middle would be flat. Never thought the middle would be short. Because I've never cut my hair like that before. But this time I did. And I know now not to do it that way. But it is at a good length and it is healthy because the ends needed trimming a while back. But because I had eye surgery, I could not go to the hair salon. So I decided cut it, and now it's due for relax, so I do it. Hopefully in the next 4 months after I do it again, I'll go and have it professionally trimmed. But this is it. Before it was like, I'm going up. Before my hair was down here. You can't even see it in the camera. But now it's like up here. The back. The front is, let's see. This is the front. This is the front right here. So it's actually cut in layers, if you can see it. You know what I mean? In a different type of layer. But that's it. Thanks again for watching. I just wanted to bring the relaxer part in there and just make all of it one video. But that's it. That's it. If I go like this, you can see, right? I can go like this, put it behind my ears, and I can also put it up because it is hot. So up is where it needs to be. It is very, very hot. So I'm going to put it up. See, if I wanted to put it in a ponytail, this would be my ponytail. But I'm going to wrap it around like this. So I leave it like this. I don't make it tight. My hair is never tight. The tighter you pull your hair, the worse it is on your scalp, and then you end up with a headache. So I don't do that. I just leave it like this. The next time I do it will be in December. It's every 4 months. This is August, so September, October, November, December. That's when I'll do it again. Yeah. Every 4 months. Thanks again. Bye.